got the Chevy Cruze, right?
No, that's a Subaru Impreza Hatch.
Impreza, that's right. Check out the back seats where we spend most of our time. Usually get chauffeured in these. Import leather or cloth, whatever they call it.
Do a quality test. Is it 4 quality?
Ooh, no, that's better than 4, honestly. I mean, you get to rocking back here, rocking, no socking. You'd get it done. You'd get it done. Baby seat attachments, I'm with that. There's this little like drawer knob, it looks like they got from a thrift store. They added on here. Ooh, all right.
Ooh, pretty spacious trunk.
Check out what else we got going on in the back. So you could fit probably 3 or 4 baby strollers back there. Sounds exactly like the blinds in my grandma's house right there. Pretty good. Got a cup holder for whatever reason you get drinking with the boys back there. Got your cup. Pretty nice.
Yeah, I can record with you.
All right, for the passenger princesses out there that trying to get the driver to grip their thigh, let's give it a thigh test. All right, it's pretty good, pretty good. Manual adjustment, I like that. Whoa, that goes back pretty big.
Ooh.
All right, you get to stretching out here, look at that. Fully locked knees, that's how you should be riding. All right, so that way your driver can grip your thigh. M or D, right? You can get the D right here, it says. That's pretty nice. Everything else, pretty standard Subaru. What does that mean? I don't know. I don't drive a Subaru. Looks pretty good. I mean, something's going on there.